Yan nga pala yung laman ng refrigerator namin. Yan. Yan, konti lang kasi hindi naman kami masyadong hindi kami nakapag grocery pa. Yan siya. Yan ang old refrigerator namin.
Well, and I told him on the call. I said,
Yan ang old namin.
This is going to keep in this unit?
yeah, we're going to throw it in the garage. There is a water connection to this.
Is it shut off downstairs?
I believe so, yeah.
You do? No, I don't think so.
Huh?
The water?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I just use it.
Here? Water from
Oh, the water there. Okay.
oh, the water.
Anywhere specific you want this one in the garage? Or?
Yeah, I'll make
Okay.
that start the door.
Tanggal na nila yung old refrigerator
Hey,
namin.
Benji, come on. Okay, all right, thank you, Tony.
Benji put in a crate because he's crazy. Have a people here. That's easy style, just to carry in your body. Nice. Easy to come out. That's so heavy. We are so careful bringing out. Amazing. Yun ang garage namin. Yan ang para sa aming bathroom. Yan ang garage. It's not organized yet. We have to organize this. Snow blower. There's a car there. Our new refrigerator. I'm so excited. Are you? I'm so excited. We're outside now. Very nice weather. Nice. It's outside our house. Refrigerator namin. I'm so excited. It's coming. That's pretty. Bigger than the old one, that ready?
I'm so excited. That's my car and Daddy's car. He will buy a new car soon. In June. I'm so excited with that refrigerator. Oh, amazing. Thank you, Daddy, for buying new refrigerator.
Yan nga pala yung nilalagay sa wall dito sa US na para hindi pumapasok yung lamig. Honey, what do you call of this?
Installation.
Installation. It's called installation too. Kasi kahoy lang dito yung bahay, guys. Sa Florida, concrete siya. Dito kahoy, kahit may snow, hindi pumapasok yung lamig. Kasi may ganyan siya, tapos lagay ito, yung napakakapal na plywood. Makapal pa dyan. Yan, sobrang kapal. Tsaka ang bigat niya. Yan. He's whining. He was inside that. He's whining. He was inside that. He become crazy.
What we'll do is we're not supposed to hook it up. You guys did a good job.
What happened, Richie? What? Are you? What happened? Oh, oh, that's cute. That's cute, Benji. Hi, Benji. Hi, Benji. Natanggal mo na yung plastic.
Ayan guys, our new refrigerator. I love it so much. We have the water here, there, and you can set up that freezer refrigerator. Awesome, that's pretty awesome guys. Oh my god, I can't wait.
Natanggal na yung mga plastic. Yun yung paggawaan ng ice lang, making ice. Ice and water. I can check there. Oh my god, I love that. Ooh, that's fancy. That's fancy, smancy. It will be alarm. Mag-a-alarm siya pag matagal na na-open yung door. So that's good para malaman mo na refrigerator mo ibukas. What? Yeah, I know, right? Yan, kailangan tanggalin ng 3 gallon of water bago gamitin ang tubig.
Yan, gagawin nyo lang, lagyan nyo na ng liner. Yan, para cleaner yung refrigerator nyo. Ayan yung liner na sinasabi ko. Yan siya, mukhang kulay brown lang siya. Ayan, ganyan. Kita nyo guys, parang malinis siyang tingnan. In case na may leaking kayong mga ano dyan, mga sauce. Then, madali lang siya linisin. Ganyan. Lahat nilagyan ko. Yan. Ganun. Nagtitis ako. Siyang bagoong oyster. Na ako lagay ng aming refrigerator. Everything is all in here. Lulutuin ko mamaya yan. Yung cheese. Ayan, may frozen dito. Tapos yung milk, i-arrange ko pa yan. Ayan, mga frozen yun dito. Ayan. Yan, tapos na kami sa refrigerator namin. Na-setup ko na lahat doon sa loob. With this little girl.
Kasi guys, simula nang nanganak ako, hindi na ako nagro-grocery. Yung husband ko na nag-grocery kasi lagi ko iniisip yung anak ko. Ganon. So, okay naman mag-grocery. Bigyan ko lang siya ng listahan ko kung anong lutuin ko. Mga ganon. Yan, para okay naman siya. Pag-grocery naman siya ng maayos. Yan.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you like this video or more video that I show you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.